Namaskar, everybody. I am Gaurav Dwivedi, CEO of Prasar Bharati, and it's such a pleasure to come back to the FICCI Frames event. This is also an opportunity for us to present Prasar Bharati's own homegrown OTT, Waves. And Waves OTT builds on Prasar Bharati's heritage and legacy as India's public service broadcaster. There are a whole lot of legacy content that we have grown up with, but Waves is not limited only to the legacy content that we have. New programs, new shows, films, online games. We have reading material, we have magazine shelves. So there's a whole lot of different kinds of content that is available. We have more than 70 TV channels also streaming here. We also have, at this point of time, more than 2 dozen radio channels of the Akashvani network that are streaming here. And over a period of time, we want to make this a one-stop shop destination for anybody in India and abroad who wants to consume Indian content, whether it is through broadcasting, through streaming, through online games, through reading, and all the other different ways in which content is created and consumed.